Verizon versus AT&T versus T-Mobile. So Verizon offers excellent reliability and coverage. The industry reports and root metrics testing confirm Verizon offering top-tier performance in especially rural and challenging areas. It also has flexible group plans, which is unlimited plus and ultimate plans, coming with strong hotspots, allowings, and streaming perks. It also has a strong 4G and 5G footprint, with deep coverage for both in city and remote areas. The cons is though, the 5G is still limited, while the speed is high, and it also has a select areas compared to 4Gs, and it can be more expensive. Now AT&T, on the other hand, is a broad natural coverage, offering leading the pack in combined 4G and 5G reach, making it reliable and across the country. It also has a value-focused family plan, and its sound financial footing. The cons is though, it is still mid-tier 5G performance, they have fewer consumer perks, which lacks the entertainment-based extras bundled by T-Mobile. Now lastly we have is T-Mobile. It offers the fastest 5G today. It also has the top-rated overall carrier, it has generous perks, and it has a robust 5G expansion, which concludes leads in mid-band and rural 5G rollout, aiming for 90% rural households by 2026. The problem is though, it has a smaller 4G footprint and the coverage is location sensitive. So overall, choose Verizon if you need maximum reliability and coverage. Then choose AT&T if you prioritize broad geographic coverage with reliable performance, and choose T-Mobile if you value speed, streaming perks, and modern features.